One video, 72 key switches. Welcome back to FTW Tech. I'm your host Isaiah, and today I have a video about the ultimate 72 key switch. It's actually 71, but mechanical key switches test. So in the box you'll find a keycap puller. This is the KBD Fans Ultimate 72 key switch tester. The bottom right switch has a keycap that says KBD Fans on it. It comes with a random switch, in my case, Gateron Milk Brown. It's a very light, bad build quality thing, to be honest. It's like an acrylic plastic. So as you can see, some switches were like falling out. It might be like supposed to be hot swappable, but they still shouldn't be falling out. The Tealios and Tealios switches in here are V2. The keycaps are die stub PBT. Some switches aren't here, like a lot of the company's ones, like Razer switches, Steel Series, HyperX, stuff like that, as well as like Topre, Glorious Pandas, etc. So we're gonna get into the sound test. Really hyped for this video, and let's get into it. Alright guys, that'll be it for the 72 key switch test. Of course, it's really 71 keys because the bottom right is just another Gateron Milk Brown in my case, although, like I said earlier, that is random. What did I learn from this video? Personally, I really like the Kalih Box switches, and I didn't know I would, but I do suggest that you guys do get a switch tester like this. The build quality is flimsy. It's questionable. In fact, some of them came loose. And it could be that it's supposed to be hot swappable, but at the same time, they shouldn't be coming loose. So there is that. And also the included keycap puller I found to be really bad, because when I try to pull off a key, it'll pull off the keycap, it'll pull off the keycap and the entire stem. It just takes the whole thing out. So I would use a different keycap puller, like one from Ducky or, a third-party one. But if you are on a budget, I say budget, this is a 72 key switch tester. I got it on sale for $60, it's usually $70. And it really is one of the biggest switch tester kits out there, if not the biggest. So would I recommend it? Yes, just know that the build quality you're getting is not the best. And of course, it's just built on like flimsy acrylic plastic. I mean, it's nothing special in terms of build quality. Not even close. It's just so that you can get a sense of what switches you might like. But Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned stuff as well. That was FTW Tech. See you guys.